Hi everyone, welcome to my mom's channel. Since the first week of January, she's had over 10,000 more viewers to her channel. Thank you all for the phenomenal support. We really appreciate it. Today we're making a coconut cluster. It's quick and simple. It only requires 4 ingredients. We have 500 grams of desiccated coconut, a can of tin milk, that's 385 grams, a slab of Bourneville dark chocolate, which is 150 grams, and some roughly sliced almonds, which is about 100 grams. So we're just going to, well, firstly prepare our oven, which is preheated at 150 degrees Celsius. We're going to prepare our baking tray with spray and cook. And then we're going to start with our ingredients. So we'll add the coconut to the desiccated coconut, the condensed milk, the roughly chopped slab of dark chocolate, and the almonds. So the almonds give it a nice crunch, while the dark chocolate, the bitterness of the dark chocolate, balances the sweetness of the condensed milk. And we're going to mix that all together and start to form clusters. If you would like, you can add a little bit of food coloring to give it an extra spring of color, but we've kept it fairly simple. Now that we've mixed all of our ingredients together, just check if the consistency is to your liking. If it's not sticky enough, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of milk. We want it to be sticky so that the integrity of the cluster is maintained. So we're going to start making our clusters. And we set it on our baking tray. Okay, now we have our first batch of coconut clusters ready to be put in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius. So we'll do just that. Okay, it's ready to be taken out of the oven now. There we go. The desiccated coconut has roasted nicely on the outside, and the inside, the chocolate is oozing. We've had it in the oven for 20 minutes at 150 degrees, and then for the last 10 minutes, we've increased the temperature to 175 degrees. So that allows the clusters to set and then to roast, and it's now firm. as it stands it will harden more. So we're now ready to have this with coffee. Our next batch is also ready to be put in the oven. So this mixture has made approximately 30 clusters. So there you have it, your coconut clusters. It can be stored in an airtight container for up to 1 week. And with Valentine's around the corner, that would be ideal. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my mom's channel. Thank you all for the support and for following this easy recipe. Happy Valentine's. Bye.